any rash decisions about what rig to buy. I should make my business actually pop along there. Thanks for that tip there, Bob.
Okay, right. We'll go up the night before and we have a right we have the right time. We'd be really sick on a Sunday morning. 733, take care. EI3GD, EI8HL.
730, Bob. Take it easy. Good night. Bye-bye. EI3GD off. Sure.
Bye-bye. Okay, thanks so much for coming back to me. You're 59 plus 10 with me. The name is Mick, Mike, India, Charlie, Kilo, and the QTH is the City of Leeds, Central UK. That's Lima, Echo, Echo, Delta, Sierra, QSL.
Oh, quite interesting. I've been in Leeds some months ago, by end of February this year. But I stayed in a hotel in York, in the Old Town Centre. Mick, a nice place in Yorkshire. Yeah, nice to hear. I'm not sure if you had a QSO before. Running gear, we got to the Fox Tango 1000 MP Mark 5 field. And my antenna is a doublet 2 times 60 meters. And I'm feeding in with a home Drew balanced sphere at 60 feet long. And using a homemade symmetric antenna coupler, which allows me to use my area from 160 up to 10 meg. M0, MB80 or 1 FDL listening over.
Yeah, DL1 FDL, M0, MBA return. Yeah, all fine on that mark on your working conditions. You're shooting this side, Nikon IC7000, just 100 watts. And the antenna is end-fed long wire by Snowdonia Radio Company, 65 foot long and about 5 meters above the ground, QSL.
Yeah, and it's working good for you. You know, when I was driving in the morning with my British colleague from York to Leeds, I was looking from time to time if I could see some amateur radio antennas, you know, or stuff like that. But I've never seen one. So we was not using only the motorway. We was also driving somewhere around the countryside. Don't ask me where. I've never seen an antenna, but what I've seen that the houses are very close together, very small backyards. Gardens in the backyard, and so I was wondering, yeah, space is really limited. But you know, on the countryside around there was so many green that I thought maybe there's enough place, but the houses was fully concentrated, you know, all the time on one place, Nick, so I can imagine it's not so easy to set up or to run big antennas over there. I'm 0 MD80, 1 FDL over.
Yeah, the old one FDL and the MBA returning. Yeah, I can't have beams up or anything like that. I've got 3 verticals up, one for HS. I've got a 2 and 70s vertical. I've got a vertical for 4 meters. I don't know if you have 4 meters over there. And then I've got this long wire. I've only had it up about 2 or 3 weeks, and it works really, really well on all bands from 80 meters up to 6. It doesn't load up on top band, but it works 80 meters through to 6, and I've had really, really good contacts on it. Over the last couple of days, on 10 meters, I've worked some really good stations, Falkland Islands and South Africa and States, Canada, you know, Costa Rica, Brazil, Argentina, you name it, on 10 meters this last couple of days. With this antenna, that's what I've worked, so it works on all bands, it works really, really well, and for what they cost, roughly about £35 to buy. You couldn't make it for that kind of money, Marco. DL1 FDL and 0 MBA.
Yeah, perfect. Congratulations for all your DX contacts on the higher frequency. I did not recognize that the band was open, but nice to hear that now. Nick, but I can remember maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago, 20 was in a very good shape. Here in the evening, and also cheering around the band was completely open to South America, Latin America, and also to the United States and Canada.